The first meeting that Rox was able to book for us was a company that wasn't on a radar at all. The sales rep didn't even know that the email had gone out to them, and they replied back and said they were interested, and they said it's exactly what they're looking for. It's a great use case and immediate ROI on the investment. My name is Ryan Kuntz. I'm the SVP of Sales here at Rev.io. We are a revenue management and service operations platform designed specifically for MSPs, CSPs, and technology integrators. My journey started at Rev.io back in 2014. I was one of the founding account executives. We have been very diligent about using all the best-in-breed tools for the sales team tech stack. So we have used platforms like Salesloft, Outreach, Salesforce. A lot of the older prospecting steps that were really effective a few years ago just aren't working. We really dove headfirst into using AI automation. It started with open call bots. It's something my team still uses on a daily basis.
Everybody has access to LinkedIn, Google, and all that. What's the action that we take? And this is where I think Rox has helped us a lot.
What we're really missing was personalization at scale. And that was the number one problem that I was really focused on solving when I engaged with the Rox team. Proud to say that the first opportunity that Rox created for us is in forecast right now, and we are excited to get them closed. It's a prospect that we would not have gotten in front of if we weren't using Rox. We're very aggressive in how fast we're trying to grow, whether that's expanding into new markets, adding new products. We've done a lot of acquisitions. We get really successful at selling one product and understanding a specific buyer persona, and then we completely make a shift and we go into a new market, and that's required us to really change how we sell. Ideally, every email, every touch point with a potential customer is super personalized, but we all know with the sales team, there's only so many hours in the day. We are reaching more prospects with the same size sales team that we've had, and each rep has around 200 emails going out. Improvement is doing more with less, being able to increase the amount of pipeline and meetings that my team is responsible for without having to drastically change our headcount.
Prior to Rox, it was a lot of reps spending time either doing custom research, crafting the actual messaging. There was a lot of guesswork, moving data from one place to another in a manual fashion.
The Rox team did a proof of concept for us where they asked us to give them a list of some of our target prospects and let us see the platform in action.
From the first 5 minutes, right, it was doing exactly what I was hoping it would do in an automated fashion. It's less about a numbers game in 2026 as it is about finding the perfect prospect for the perfect message at the perfect time. The revenue agent can also specifically tailor the message to that person without it spending too much time for the rep. We got to a point now where it's running fully autonomously.
Salesforce posted a study that said 70% of typical sellers' time is spent on non-selling activities. I think with the tools available to us like Rox, it's going to drastically flip that. So it's more time spent actually selling, less time updating fields in Salesforce. Some advice that I would have for other sales leaders would be to not hesitate to adopt new tools to make your team more efficient. Your competitors are doing it. Being quick to execute on those decisions and to try new tools out is the goal that every sales leader should have.